All right, you guys, stop scrolling. Let's learn how to do some of those yummy Sbucks egg whites. So welcome to Ricky's channel on nutrition. Let's do some nutritioning today. So I love to go to Starbucks and have those little yummy egg whites. But basically we're gonna make our own today. So here's the deal. We're gonna cook up some egg whites here. I already have most of my preparation. Right now I'm prepping some bacon. So the bacon's just about done here, and then I'm gonna mince that bacon and put it into my little cupcake tin holder here, a muffin tin holder. And so what I'm gonna do is do 8 large eggs, actually 9 large eggs there. I'm gonna mix it with my already minced mini peppers, my minced spinach, and then I'm going to use a little bit of Mexican shredded cheese blend, but mostly a low-fat cottage cheese, okay? So I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of this low-fat cottage cheese, and then on top of it, all blend together, I'm going to use some red crushed pepper. Red crushed pepper is good for helps you with your health, like bacteria and stuff like that. Helps your metabolism, so to say. Anyway, let's do this, put it all together, and see how we do. Alright, so now I've taken the bacon and taken it out of the pan, taken all the grease off with a couple paper towels here, and then I'm chopping up the bacon and mincing it basically into little bits. I'm going to save that for the topping once I put the egg inside here in the tins. So what I'm going to do first is, I've already put my spinach, my mini peppers in the egg. You can see that here. Mini peppers, whoa, losing some egg there. Alright, cottage cheese. We're going to put just 2 spoonfuls, just to make the fluffiness of the egg. Now Starbucks uses a Sous Vide, which is a cooker that balances the heat from the outside in. Usually in a steaming pot. But we're going to do a DIY method, and I already put a tray of water down in the bottom of the oven, the lower part of the oven, that'll help steam these eggs and basically get them all nice and fluffy. So we're gonna fluff these eggs up just like Starbucks does, but without using the Sous Vide machine, because I don't have one of those fancy little things. Basically, Sous Vide in French means silly American. Silly American. We don't use the Sous Vide, not all of us, but some people do. If you have one, congratulations. Alright, we're gonna just really stir these around. A lot of people use blenders. I like to get a little muscle out of it by using that arm a little bit. Come on, man. Stir them up, get them all nice and almost bubbly. Some people like to have them nice and bubbly. I don't know if Starbucks does that exact bubbleness, but let's get these all stirred around. Now I did throw in a little bit of my other cheese though, so I'm going to throw in just a little bit of this, just because I have that Spanish, I'm half Spanish, you know, gotta throw in a little bit of Mexican cheese in here. It has mild cheddar, Monterey Jack, and it's reduced fat cheese. Okay, so now that I feel pretty good about these eggs beaten up here, we're gonna put them into my Pyrex. Okay. Get all that egg in there. Good. Alright, so now, before you put the egg into your tin cups, you gotta make sure you really spray it with a little bit of Pam or something, because otherwise your eggs are not going to come out. Okay, I already put in a little bit of red pepper in there, and I'm all set to go. I'm going to pour from the middle. Not too high up because it might overfluff. We're going to try to do about a 30-minute window at 350 degrees. Okay. Alexa, set a timer for 30 minutes.
30 minutes, starting now. By the way, it looks like the weather in your area has been changing lately. I can keep you up to date if you ask Alexa, what's the forecast?
So Alexa's trying to let me know about the forecast in my area. Yes, it is raining outside. Really got a lot of cottage cheese on the bottom of that one. Let's put some cottage cheese over here. Over here, that's sure. The cheese is a little bit heavier, so it's landing on the bottom. But I'm gonna mix these up. Okay, and that was actually 9 eggs. So, and that just makes 2, 4, 6, 8. Now, 2 of these, I looked it up at Starbucks, $4.69. So almost $5, 5, 10, 15, 20 bucks for this. And here, we're saving a lot of cost savings by making it yourself. It's probably less than $2 per egg, if that. Maybe $1.50. So, the only thing that's making it a little bit more expensive, maybe adding some bacon here. So we may add in. I've done these without making bacon, but I love bacon. So they're going to put the layers like Starbucks does. They sort of layer their bacon on top. So I put some minced bacon in there, and now I'm putting layered up on top of it. Okay. I love bacon so much. I'm gonna have a slice right here. All right, it's all ready to go. So I'm gonna put this in the oven on the top shelf. And I have the timer set for a little less than 30 minutes now. You can also use egg whites. I like to use the eggs once in a while because I like a little bit of cholesterol. You know, these have like no cholesterol, fat-free, but egg whites are always good for during the week when you're in a hurry to cook. This is the weekend, so we're doing some Sous Vide Starbucks egg whites. All right, let's see how it looks in 30 minutes. All right, it's time to take those Sous Vide egg whites out of the oven here. I had stopped the oven earlier though, and so I'm sure they're not going to be as fluffed up as they normally would when you take them out of the oven. But it's all good because I had to cut and do some other things, but you're going to get the idea. Okay. Egg bite with bacon. Excellent. Great way to save money too. All right, that's it. Those are our egg bites. Now you try it at home. Let me know how yours goes. All right, say la vie. Happy New Year 2021.